Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Slack for instant order and issue alerts. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Slack for instant order and issue alerts, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the Slack app in the store. Click on the Slack app from the search results. Select the Add App button. You will be prompted to log into your Slack account. Choose the correct workspace if you belong to multiple. Authorize the Slack app to access your Shopify store. Once authorized, configure the settings for notifications. Select the specific events you want to receive alerts for, such as new orders or inventory issues. Review the integration options available, such as channels for notifications. Save your preferences to finalize the connection. Next, test the integration by placing a dummy order in your Shopify store. Switch to your Slack workspace and check for the order notification. If the notification appears, the integration is successful. If you do not receive the notification, revisit your settings. Ensure the correct permissions are granted in both Shopify and Slack. Once verified, you can adjust advanced settings for more customized alerts. With the integration complete, your team will now receive instant notifications. Monitor the communication channel to ensure alerts are functioning as expected. Consider setting up additional custom alerts for other events if needed. This will enhance your team's response time and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.